This video explains the Overview and Schedule tabs in Webroot Total Protection, showing how to run, customize, and schedule scans. On the home page of the Webroot Total Protection app, click the Virus Protection tile. This opens the Overview tab, where you can view details such as your subscription status, last scan, and the number of threats encountered. From here, you can also access the Custom Scans feature to build and schedule scans for files or folders, and start a scan. To create a custom scan, click Custom Scans. On the Create and Schedule Custom Scans page, click Refresh to update the list of scans, if any. To create a new scan, click Add Scan. On the Add a Custom Scan page, drag files or folders or click Browse to select files or folders to scan. If you click Browse, select the files or folders and click Add Files or Folders. Enter an optional name for the scan and click Next. On the next page, you can use the toggle to enable or disable scan scheduling. Choose how often the scan should run, select the day of the week and the time of the day. You also have the option to automatically disable scans when the system is running on battery. Click Save to apply your changes. To start a scan from the Overview tab, choose a scan option from the Scan Now list. Quick Scan scans locations that are common hiding places for infections. System Scan scans all running processes and loaded libraries. Full Scan scans all areas of your computer. This may take more time. Let's try running a system scan for now. Select the checkbox to automatically shut down your computer after the scan completes. You can cancel the scan at any time by clicking Cancel. Go back to the Overview tab to see a notification indicating the scan is in progress. Click View Scan Details to go back to the progress page and check the scan status. To plan a future scan, go to the Schedule tab and select Schedule Scan. Here, you can turn full scans on or off and set up a scan schedule. Choose the scan frequency, pick the day of the month, and choose the time of day. You also have the option to turn off scheduled scans to save battery. You can run scans in background, maximized, or minimized mode. After you set the preferences, click Apply to confirm. To schedule a summary report, go to the Schedule tab and select Summary Report. Turn Summary Report on or off. Choose a frequency from the Show Report list, pick a day of the month, and choose the time of day. To hide empty reports, select Ignore Reports with Empty Data. When done, click Apply. That's how you manage scans in Webroot Total Protection. Check out the other videos in this series for more tips.